Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with a new off campus drive from the Google company. भाई ऐसा कौन है जो गूगल कंपनी ज्वाइन नहीं करना चाहता? एवरीवन वांट अ जॉब इन द गूगल, वेरी बिग MNC company. Okay, so I am here with a new off campus drive from the Google company. Job position is software engineer. You should be a university graduate, that is BTech. 2021 pass out batch candidates are eligible. You can see here company name Google. Job location is Bangalore and Hyderabad. If you want to apply, please click here to apply for this position. So we will check the minimum qualification and preferred, mainly the qualification. Minimum you should have bachelor degree or equivalent practical experience working with Linux, Unix, Windows or Mac environments, distributed system, machine learning, information retrieval and TCP/IP. Experience programming in C, C++, Java or Python. Let me remind you again, if you have done certification in any of these, that will be a plus point from your end, and there are maximum chances to get select in the company. Okay, preferred qualification master degree or PhD, and they have provided about the job and what will be your roles and responsibility as a software engineer. Like same thing, what a software engineer do: design, development, coding, debugging, testing, all these things. Research and conceive and develop software application to extend and improve on the Google products offering. Contribute to a wide variety of projects utilizing natural language processing, artificial intelligence, data comprehension, machine learning and search technologies. Collaborate and on scalability issues involving access to massive amount of data and information. Solve challenges, problems that you are presented with. Okay, so that is the recruitment they have shared. So don't worry about the salary, as this is a Google company, so there will be a very best package they will offer you. But yeah, don't miss this chance. Dear batch 2021, please apply for this position. And those candidates who belongs to electrical, electronics, instrumentation and other batch candidates, if suppose if you are interested in to apply for this position, you can apply. If you are eager to learn new technologies from the IT industry, or if you really want to join any IT industry, then please apply for this position, as this is a Google company, so everyone want to join this company. Okay, so I request you all, please apply for this position. You will get the link in the description box below. And yeah, I wish you all the best. Thanks for watching this video.